Okay, let's see together how to crochet a so nice and pretty granny heart to be used as a decoration for everything you need when crocheting. Okay, let's start together. It's very easy. Slip knot to start. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch to join into the first chain you did, like that, to form a small ring like that, and this is the center of the ring. Now chain 2, which takes the place of the first double crochet, yarn over, and insert your hook here into the center of this circle and double crochet 2. 1 and 2. So we have a cluster of 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 as chain stitches, yarn over, into the same circle, double crochet 3. Chain 2, into the same circle, double crochet 3. Chain 2, into the same circle now for the last time, double crochet 3. 1, 2 and 3. And now to close to finish this first round, 1/2 double crochet into the chain number 2 we did at the beginning of this round. In this way, I made the correct position to start the second round. Round number 2. Chain 2. Insert your hook into this very first big hole here below and double crochet 2. 1 and 2. Now chain 2 into the same very first space, double crochet 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now chain 1, chain 1 into the next space, double crochet 3. Chain 2, and now double crochet 3 into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1 into the next space, repeat a corner like that, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3 again. Okay, 1, 2 corners, chain 1. Now when you corner into the next space, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3. Okay, now 1 chain stitch and into the last 4th space, the last corner, double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to join into the second double crochet, here 1 and 2. The first one is very small and not visible, but the second chain is this one. Slip stitch to join into the second chain you did at the beginning of this round. Now I'm ready for round number 3, which is the last one. Chain 1, enter again the second chain here below and single crochet 1. Now single crochet 1 into the next double crochet below here. Single crochet 1 into the third double crochet below. Okay, now into the chain 2 space, 1 single crochet, and now chain 2 into the same space, single crochet 1. You see, we are working exactly this point here. You see, the bottom of my heart here below. This is. Now into the next 3 stitches, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Into the chain 1 space, single crochet 1, and now yarn over twice, 1 and 2, and into the next space, double crochet, triple crochet 12. So 1 triple or treble crochet, second one, and so on till 12 into the same space.
Continue with your triple or treble double crochet till 12 into the same space. We are creating the first top of the heart, you see. Now into the next space, single crochet 1, and you see this is the half of our heart.
Okay, now from here again yarn over twice and 12 triple or treble crochet into the next space. 1, 2, and so on till 12. 12 treble or triple crochet are done, and now into the next space, single crochet 1. Now single crochet 1 in each one of the stitches below. 1, 1, 1, and in this last chain 1 space, 1 single crochet. Now slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. And my heart, my granny heart is ready.